A very good morning to all my dear students. So as I told you that we are going to continue with our regular syllabus, regular studies today onwards. Okay, and the chapter number 8 we have completed till quadrilaterals in the first term, and chapter number 9, which was areas of parallelograms and triangles, that chapter is deleted according to this year's syllabus. So the chapter we are going to start today is circles. Okay, so circles, you all have heard of this word circles since standard 6. Okay, standard 6 से आप ये term जो है ये सुनते आ रहे हैं. So first of all we'll just go through the basic definition. So what do you mean by a circle? The collection of all points in a plane. Okay, the collection of all points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point is called circle. Okay, so एक fixed point से when you are constructing the points at a fixed distance भी fix है, you cannot change that distance, then the figure so formed by the collection of all those points is called circle, and that fixed point is called center, and that fixed distance, ये जो distance है सारे points का, this distance, this is fixed, wherever you will go this distance is fixed, so this distance is called radius. Okay, so these are the most important parts. So in this given figure, O is the center and OA is the radius. Okay, so these are the two important parts. Now we'll just go through quickly what are the different terms related to a circle. So these are the different terms related to a circle, which is a chord, a diameter, an arc. Okay, when we're talking about arc, you will be having two, major and minor arc. Then you have sector, major sector and minor sector. Then you have segments, which is again major segment and minor segment. Then you have different parts. There are three parts of a circle. One is the boundary, that is on the circle. Inside it is called interior of the circle, and outside the boundary it is called exterior of a circle. Okay, so now we'll go through these definitions quickly. So you can see over here, this is the locus, or you can say the collection of all points, okay, we are making, and this is called a circle. So this is the fixed point, this is O is center, and then this OP, this fixed distance, it is called the radius. Now you can see in this figure, this part, okay, this boundary is called circle, on the circle, and inside it, it is called interior. Circular region का जो अंदर का है, it will be interior of circle, and outside it, it will be called exterior of the circle. Okay, now we'll see next. Okay, now I hope you all know the relation between a diameter and a radius. Okay, so radius का जो double होता है, that is called diameter. So this OA is radius. So when you are constructing a line segment which is passing through center, it is called diameter. Okay, joining any 2 points on the circle but passing through center, it is called diameter. When it is not passing through the center, it is called chord. Okay, any line which is joining 2 points on the circle is called chord. So basically diameter is also a chord, and it is the longest chord. Diameter जो होता है वो circle का सबसे longest chord होता है. Okay, and then you can see this diagram. In this diagram, now observe carefully this P and Q. Okay, these points are plotted. So this circle's boundary has been divided into two parts. एक ये हो गई arc, और ये एक arc होगी. The smaller one is called minor arc, and the bigger one, the longer one will be major arc. So this way we represent. Okay, PQ और उसके ऊपर ये arc का sign है. So this is the representation of an arc. So you can see in the next figure, it has been divided into two, the minor arc and the major arc. Okay, now you can see segments. So basically segments बनता कैसे है? When you are constructing a chord, the chord divides the circle into two parts. Okay, so the smaller part is called major segment, and the bigger part is called the smaller part is called minor segment, and the bigger one is called major segment. So basically segment is formed by joining the chord and the arc. Okay, जब arc और chord को join करते हैं, the figure so formed is called major segment and minor segment. Okay, and what is a sector? The area which is included inside two radii, plural of radius is radii, so two radii and an arc is called sector. Again, the smaller part is called minor arc, minor sector, and the bigger one is called major sector. Okay, so these are the different parts of a circle. So now you can quickly go through the exercise 10.1, which is very simple. The center of a circle lies in interior, all of you knows. A point whose distance from the center of a circle is greater than its radius, it will lie in the exterior. Radius से बड़ा अगर distance है point का, so it will lie in the exterior. The longest chord of a circle is diameter, and an arc is a semicircle when its ends are the ends of a diameter. Okay, segment of a circle is the region between an arc and chord of a circle. These all are the definition. A circle divides the plane into three parts: interior, exterior, and on the circle. Okay, similarly true false. So true false also you can have a look, and you have to write give the reasons for your answer. So for true statements no need to give the reason. For false I've already given, so you can have a look and just complete this exercise 10.1. Okay, so you have to complete this exercise, and then tomorrow we'll be doing next theorems and next exercise. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day everyone.